Good morning, guys. How you doing? You know that voice? It's David, Deadmas. Then in the video, I will be show you, how you can be replace your iPhone XS screen because I have one. The iPhone XS was the screen was broken. Now today I will be replace it. Like I already ordered the new screen. Like as you can see right here, this is the new screen. Then I have it with me, and they will send me some screwdriver to take it off. Okay, as you can see, this is the phone. Then is not working. Then because the screen was good to the it was going to the water, then because that reason the screen is not working. Like as you can see here, then I will be take the screw out and take all both of screw right here out, and and to take the screen out. Okay, guys, as you can see here, right here, like you can do that. So sometimes the screw is not go out. On my case, my is not out too. Like and this one. Well, you can use the when you buy the screen, they wanna be sent you some screw. Then you can use it. Like for me, then I already have mine. The reason I did not use it. Okay, you can as you can see here. Then as you can see my my it's almost good. Then now I take my one of these. You got one of these on your thing because I got my sticker before, and you go on the corner and you use this thing to lift it out. Okay, when you finish, like how you can use this tool to pop up your screen. Like you see, as you can see, pop up. You see, as you can see, and when you see that, you use one of if yours have one if yours have one of these, you can just, as you can see, you see it somewhere and put it right here. And I put it right here, and now is you see, and I use I got one. I use one. Actually, I use this one, and you make like circle, as you can see here. You see, as you can see here. Okay, guys. As you can see, you be careful with it. You go slowly, okay, guys? Okay, now I looking because the code it was very not the size than what I did. Now I can take this one out. Okay, to take this one out it's easy, but you can I see it like just you push it and you take this one out. This one. Okay, or you can put your nails on the bottom in it and you leave it. Okay, as you can see here, they have they have three line right here. He's go they are going to the screen. I need to take it out, and I need to take it out. Like what I did, I take all the screw first of all. Then you need to take your body. Okay, you need to unconnect your body. Okay, to make sure everything. Okay, that's what I did. Uh, this is not what for. I can use another one. Let me use this. So, careful, okay. you put all your school somewhere you can figure out, you can see it, okay, or somewhere you can see it. Right here, and they have one, two, three, four. We will take all four out. Okay. As you can see, I take all four of it. Now, I'll try to use the plastic thing. Use the plastic thing to lift it, okay, guys? That's a good idea for us. That's what my advance. Now you can see as a piece. You can see this piece. You see, as you can see this piece. I can put it right here. And now I need to unbuckle. The first thing you need to unbuckle is the the it's the body one. You need to take it. The body one is this, okay? As you can see, the body one. I take the body. Now we take the screen. Okay. This is for the screen. This is the was whole one, okay? This is the whole one. As you can see, this is the whole one. And this is the whole one, okay? Let me check. Now I have a problem with like this because the the piece I ordering is not come. The screen is coming, but the screen is not come with the. It's not come with the speaker on top. Okay, now I will try to add my speaker. Okay, like what I did, I take this out, the top out. I take it down. You have one more right here. One more right here, okay? One more here. These screws, okay, guys? Don't go like, don't do something like you try to go in fast with it. Just going slowly. Okay, as you can see, I did. Go slowly. Okay. Out. You can see what I do. But please, guys, please go slowly with it. They're going so fast. Now I will put it back. Easy. Okay, now just add it. That's it. As you can see, I did. To make it, okay? Don't make speed, okay? Like think is police in your is on your back. You don't want the police pull you over. That you're going slowly, okay? If you do any mistake, you will be broken. Once. to subscribe with my channel YouTube. That's only way you can be help me. Like, please. That's only way you can help me. And please subscribe with my channel YouTube. The name is David Das Technology. Then tell your brother, your friend, your sister, your family about my YouTube channel. Or you can be my YouTube channel is here only for helping you on technology. That reason I created. Like, if you need any help, you can email me at daviddelmas7@gmail.com. That's my about the technology. And see now I'm almost done. As you can see now, I add everything in there. See, see. Now I will be testing it. Before you, okay, to put it in, please guys, be careful. I will be at the bottom of the last part. That's Be careful with it. You see why I take time with it? Because I know it's broken and I'm supposed to buy a new one. Then that reason I was telling you, guys, take your time, okay? Now, okay, you see, as you can see, everything is plugged on. Then now I will be testing it. see, guys, it's good. You see, it's already open. Like, the fun is not to know. This is the password. It's quite, yes. These videos, like, you see, as you can see, everything is good now. And you make sure everything is, I'll be, as you can see, you see what I'm doing? Try to make sure everything is good before you put it together. Oh no, guys, I'm so sorry. Apologize. Okay, where's my mistake? Make sure everything is going like this. If you see, it can be on like touch does. Okay, the paste over here. Okay, because there's count. Okay, now I keep looking for. Okay, the tab is good. The tab is good. The tab is good. Right here. Now the problem. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. This is the phone, okay, guys? As you can see, this is the phone now. Open it. This is the old one. Okay, this is the old one. This is the new one. Okay, now how we try like you see that? Okay. This camera is working. This is working. You see, this is the front one. Everything is working. You see, as you can see me, this is the back one. And I will try play some music too and video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel YouTube. The channel YouTube is David. As you can see, that's technology. Technology. You see? And you subscribe for me. See that? And watch my videos. Subscribe for my channel YouTube. Thank you. Oh yeah, I will make sure to see if everything. Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings to. Everything is good.